मम्मी रिकॉर्ड हो रही है। शानू, शानू, हाथ में क्या दर्द हो गया? शानू, दर्द गया?
Show for it here. So I'm going to straighten the right hand side now. Watch when that bird tilts and turns back to where you can see the underside of the wings in the sunlight. Can't believe this thing. That bird's got silver on the tip of his wings all the way back to his body. And there he comes right there. You know, got to turn up in the sunlight like we want to. Doggone that bird. He's doing everything I wanted him to for a moment. I thought, well, I need to say something now. Anyway, it's a turkey vulture. We also have black vultures here, but black vultures just have white